Hello Iran, so we have a logic problem here that I have a mine prefab. In this prefab there are obstacle script cmine but inherited from obstacle script, and the must be that FishManager when trigger with any object that have obstacle tag and have obstacle script must take damage. The fish when attracting with this object is already get damage, but the problem is it's get damage from the object I have put it manually in the sea. But when boss, let's go to the mine stage, the problem is when boss generating the mines it's not get damage, and it is confusing thing. So to fix it we must go to, as you see, the mine has the obstacles tag cmine script and have collider triggered. It already works with this mine, and this mine is one-to-one same as prefab that instantiated. So we have to go to the script mine here. I think when on trigger enter with when cmine is triggered with anything, it's generating a exclusion particle system, also setting active the graphic false. So let's try to comment these lines and test it. It works here. Going to mines stage. Yeah, it works. The problem is in these lines. What? Out and comment. Okay, so if we try to comment these lines, is the problem in these lines? It works fine. Let's go to mine stage and see the mine stage. Yeah, it works. You're not doesn't work. But it worked in the first mine and now not works. If we go if we go to this mine, it's already no, this is a graphics. It's already have obstacle tag, cmine script and sphere collider, but not works. So the problem is there. The problem is in tag conversion. I didn't think so. So let's try to comment these lines and try again. It's confusing. It works, but when instantiating, I think we have to go to instantiating scripts and see what is the difference between simple prefab and instantiated one. Let's see. Yeah, it works. The problem is in boss tag comparison. Yeah, let's uncomment slides. Why is the problem even there? Hmm. First, let's write before editing the lines. Going to mines stage. Yes. So the boss, yeah, it works. It is in boss comparison. Hmm. I think. Oh. Yes. I think the obstacle is already triggered with the boss in forward. So when came to player, no, it's not. It's not that. Let's try different comparison. If collision dot tag equals boss maybe, and print boss hit CMI. It is the problem when boss instantiating it, but the mine instantiated from obstacle boss obstacle generator. So when it start, it is not interacted with the boss. Okay, it's clear. Yes, it is not interacting. And what is this? The problem is in. Let's see the boss. His boss still there? This deleted. I deleted the boss and still not working. So I think I will take the boss comparison and detect. Let's try difference. If collision dot get component boss is not null. Do you know what? I will make the first mine that destroys the boss, else if it not interacting with boss to end this problem. But I so confused why the problem is in comparison tag. In tag comparison. Going to mine stage. So let's try it. Yeah, it's working. Now, oh, before the boss days, it was working. After boss date, it is not working. I think because it calls the boss instance, and the boss instance is not found, but I'm not sure. Let's do it instead of let's create a variable boss equals this, and if it not now, yes, let's try it. It's very confused. Yeah, it's working because the boss didn't die yet. So yeah, we are in mine stage and boss dead. This active? No, it's active the graphics. I will delete this line. I'm not know the reason, but it is in boss component. I have an idea. It's delete these lines and simply make boss dice when enter the last stage and get damage, current health, die. Yeah, let's do it. Deleting tag comparison from here. I'm not know the reason, but you have to solve the bugs with different way. Yeah. Why didn't die? Yeah, it works because there is no boss tag conversion. 1 minute. Why the boss isn't die? Yeah, it must be 0. Let's put a big number. Use for example, or current health multiplied with 2. It's working. Now we have another bug that the boss isn't die. Yeah, it isn't die. Current health. Where is the current health? Yeah, it dies. After it dies, it's not working. The matter is not in when boss dies. I memorized when boss die is it is equal to true, and in FishManager when you take damage, if boss is died you are not getting damage. So we will change it to when level completed. Let's go to level manager and search for completed messages. No, it's not there. Complete level. When complete level, let's make an boolean for that. Private boolean level completed and go there. Level complete equals true and try this unused method. go to is completed method. There is no method like this. Let's create one. Public void is level completed. Return level completed. So yeah, let's go to fish. It was very comedy bug. Level manager extended is level completed, so we can get back on the method. Multiply these two and remove this method there, and it must work. It was a logic bug. Because that this line works, so you have to follow all the methods all the way that is related to your bug. And I didn't check the get damage method, so it's working now. I'm getting damage. Goodbye.